Okay, so if you are opening up a non-motion graphics template, then it's very easy. You just go to your downloads, make sure you have unzipped it, click on your file, and then you will see that Premiere Pro icon. All you have to do is double click that and it will open up automatically in Pro. So then if you look over here, you will see edit placeholders. When you click on that, this is where you're going to put your logo in. So click on that, double click right here, and then you're going to bring, so you're going to bring your logo down into here. Now they have something that's kind of just a placeholder, right? So just bring yours over and pull it down, and then you want to highlight it, go to Effect Controls, and then scale it to where you need to get to, about right there. All right, and you're going to do the same thing with the text. Click on the icon, and I'm going to put that cs.com, and that's it. So there's the finals. I'm going to click on Logo Intro, and so obviously that looks, but I think it's just a part of it. So what you can do is, if you don't like anything, of course, you just go back and you can adjust however you want it. Move it. Finals. Again, you have a place for your audio. So you have your audio ready. You come down and let's bring that down here. And obviously it's going to be loud. It's going to do an audio gain -5. Now, so if it's playback, if the playback is slow and choppy, come right here, and this is your playback quality. So if it's on full, take it down to the lowest level. Not as good, but it should play fine. All right, and if that's what you like, export it. You're gonna type logo reveal and block. Then you want to, where you're going to keep it, save it. Make sure it's on 2164K and then H.264, and then export, and you're done.